Hey everybody, I'm here today with a simple video on a happy facial expression. I'll be showing you and telling you specifically how to do it, and this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. So if you want to do a happy facial expression, this is the video for you. It's actually really easy to do, so the instructions are fairly simple, okay? So basically the main ingredient for a happy facial expression is going to be a smile, okay? So you're going to smile. That's the main thing that you have to do. You're going to smile. Just like that. Now, with that being said, that's the main thing. The way you smile and the other things that you do with your face can change that happy facial expression slightly. So, generally speaking, the bigger that you smile, the happier that you will look. Does it mean that you're actually going to be happier? No. You can smile like this and still be really happy. You can have a small, sort of modest smile, and you can still be extremely happy. And you can have a huge smile like that and still only be a little bit happy. So, having a bigger smile doesn't necessarily mean that you are happier, but it does usually mean that you will look happier. You will look a higher degree or a higher level of happy. Okay, you'll be showing a higher level of happiness. So basically, if you want to look happier, smile bigger and, smile more openly, okay? So watch the difference as I go from a small smile to a bigger smile, and you'll see that I'll look happier. So I'm going to start with a small smile, and I'll move to a bigger smile, okay? So here's the small smile, and then we'll move to a bigger one. We're going to start with a small one. A little bit bigger, and then even bigger. As you can see, as I smile bigger, I look happier, okay? So, excuse me. I apologize. I just had a little bit of coffee and it seems to be giving me, I guess, some indigestion. So I do apologize. Some of it's sort of like, creating some I don't know, that wasn't really a full burp, but it created almost like a mini burp in my mouth. So I do apologize. Excuse me. I'm sorry. I'll try not to let it happen again. And yeah, excuse me. Anyways, we're moving on now that I've excused myself. So as you saw right there, the main ingredient was a smile. And the bigger that I smiled, the happier that I looked. Okay. Now, that's how you look happy. That's how to create a happy facial expression. Now, how can we use other facial features to change or slightly vary that happy facial expression? So basically, if you want to just look plain happy, then all you need is a smile. So just smile, just like that, and you're going to look plain happy. That's just a plain happy look, okay? Now, you can take that and you can turn it into almost an excited look, and the way that you do that is by sort of like smiling, a big smile, and raising your eyebrows. So as you can see, I'm going to smile a big smile, and I'm going to just sort of open up my eyes and raise my eyebrows. That's what I meant by that. Raise your eyebrows and open up your eyes nice and wide. So I'm going to smile, and then my eyes are going to open, and my eyebrows are going to raise. Like that, okay? And as I go like that, it makes me look excited. The smile, okay, paired with the open eyes and the raised eyebrows, allows me to look completely excited. So this is just plain happy, just a plain smile. And then when I want to look excited, I just do that with the eyes. Okay? As you can see? See the eyebrows go up? And see the eyes open up wider? That's the difference between a plain smile and a plain happiness look, I should say. It's the same smile, basically in both of those expressions, for the most part, give or take. It's a similar smile. But, you're looking plain happy like this, okay? And then excited happy like this. Plain happy, excited happy. Plain, excited, okay? So those are the first two. And the other thing that you can do is to look laughing happy or funny happy. And the way that you do that is by essentially smiling and keeping your basically your eyes the way they were with the plain happy, just regular, sort of your regular eyes, the way that your eyes are when you smile normally, but you want to open your mouth, okay? So this is my plain happy, and then to look funny happy, I open my mouth, and it looks like this. And when I do that, it looks like I'm laughing. It looks like I'm funny happy. Now, you're not going to, the thing with funny happy, there is almost like something that you have to know, is that you're not going to walk around like that. You're not going to right? That's how you're going to walk around. That can be used, let's say, for a picture. So if you want to look like you're funny happy or laughing in a picture, you can do that. Smile and open up your mouth. And it looks like I'm laughing. It looks like I'm laughing when I'm doing that. And that creates a funny, happy look. So you can do that like for a picture or for like, for a still image. But you're not going to walk around like that, It's gonna look weird. Anyways, that is how to create a happy facial expression. And how to sort of, do the different versions of a happy facial expression using your other facial features. It's literally that simple. That's all I have to say. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. And hopefully you can allow yourself to look happier and create a happy facial expression using the instructions that I've provided you with. And that's really it. Other than me hoping that you've enjoyed the video, I've got nothing else to say. So with nothing else to say, we are going to roll the outro. So without further ado, here is officially the outro for this specific video. So yeah, I've said that too much. For real, I'm not going to say it again. Here is the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.